Hey guys, I'm out here about to get rained on. I went out to go find my golden fields.
Take off.
And, oh, I think I got a blade of grass. Hang on. The propeller caught one blade of grass. Okay, we're going to do that again.
Take off.
There we go. We'll see.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So I came out. I was gonna videotape these beautiful fields of golden colors, and all of a sudden I got a strong wind warning, and there you can see what's coming. It looks pretty nasty. It's rain. Extra payload detected. I wonder what an extra payload is. Ha! I don't have any extra payload. Maybe it's caught a blade of grass. Anyway, yeah, that's the beautiful fields of gold. And we'll bring her back down a bit and we'll get you a little bit closer. As you can see, the plants are kind of nice and gold color or yellow. You can probably go drop down a little bit more. Uh-oh. Gimbal has motor overload again. I wonder what the heck is going on here. It did that to me yesterday. Bring it back here, land it, and we'll try again and see what's going on. Well, it looks like it's normal now. I don't know what the heck is going on. Turns down, okay. Well, there, it's stuck. Maybe it's got some dirt in it. I'm going to land it.
Landing.
Okay, and just see if it'll move up and down freely. Okay, well, it seems to look okay. I'm gonna try flying it again. We'll have another quick shot at it.
Take off.
Before this rain gets here. And
the home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay. Well, we'll make this one a little bit lower level. A low-level flight over the yellow stuff. Oh, I can't see the bird. There it is. I don't want it to crash. Get out of there. we'll fly across that field a little bit and see what we can do, just scooting along nicely. Looks pretty cool flying along like that. Well, it's coming back towards me. I don't see it though. Well, maybe, oh, I see it. There it comes. Bring it a bunch lower. There you go. Ah, it's just like crop dusting. Oh no! Mayday, mayday, system malfunction. This is a first, ladies and gentlemen. I went too low. Ha! Now I get to go out in the muddy field and go retrieve my drone. Oh, it's showing an error. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt it's an error. Well, this is not so easy. Okay, we'll try not to stomp on this guy's crops here. We'll see if we can find it. Hang on, where's my locate my drone thing? Find my drone. Well, I started the beeping and didn't take long. I was pretty darn close. There you are. Oh, stop flashing. Yes, I found you. All right, now to get me back to where I need to be. Ha, that was interesting. That was very interesting. First time I ever done that kind of thing. I like it. Good thing it was somewhere where it didn't do any damage. Just that's the one thing about having this canola. The plants are very grabby, and as soon as you get down there, it'll do its thing. Anyway, okay, so we don't need that function. We can get rid of those, and let's see. That camera's got some dust on it. There we go.
Take off.
Drone started. Let's test the gimbal.
The home point has been updated.
Yeah.
Please check it on the map.
Beautiful. And away we go. Yeah. She's a working. Oh. The wind gusts.
Go home.
I hit home. We'll see what happens. It wants to go up 50 feet and then come home. The wind's gonna take it away. Oh, it's fighting to get back here. I'm gonna lower it. Where is it going? It's not coming home. We have to lower it a bit to get it back here. Oh, it wants to fight. Here it comes. Oh yeah. It made it.
Landing.
Well guys, it's starting to rain out here, so I'm gonna start shutting things off. Done, cameras off. Got the drone upside down. Turning the drone off. And as I'm getting rained on, I'll close the back door to the van and hop in the front and get all that canola off my unit. Anyway, shutting her down. Thanks for watching, guys. First time I crashed. Wow. Okay, cool. Till the next one. Bye for now.